बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. The Arrogant Peacock, complete moral story, a lesson on pride. In a lush green forest, all birds lived peacefully. Among them was a peacock who was proud of his dazzling feathers. He mocked the crow for being black, the sparrow for being tiny, and even the dove for being plain. Every day he danced and showed off his beauty, saying, "I am the most important bird in this forest." One afternoon, dark clouds gathered. A terrible storm broke out with heavy rain and fierce winds. The proud peacock tried to fly, but his wet feathers became heavy and useless. He struggled, fell to the ground, and got trapped in the mud. Meanwhile, the small sparrows, crows, and other humble birds took shelter together in a tree hole. They survived because they supported one another. The next morning, the peacock looked at himself. His feathers ruined, his pride broken. He finally realized, arrogance destroyed me, but the humble birds survived. Moral: true strength lies not in pride or beauty, but in humility, unity, and wisdom. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.